not planning a terrorist attack or anything, are you?
Oh, I don't answer questions like that.
Okay.
Are you planning to get hurt in your car without a seatbelt on?
No, I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah, I may have to get out. And,
Oh, okay. All right, if you want to get out, you can, I guess, but...
I just found it a little suspicious you're riding around the parking lot videotaping.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure you're not, you know, with all the political stuff going on.
This day and age, right? As you're going to say, this
Right.
day and age, okay. What other buzzwords do you have for this day and age? With this current climate?
I mean, with everything with Iran and stuff like that.
Oh, okay. All right, don't forget that seatbelt. Was it 316-614?
All right.
Got it. I just don't answer any other questions if you don't mind. Do you have any crime I'm suspected of? Because I need to get going. I'm a little bit late.
Trying to verify that flight plan.
Trying to verify the flight plan.
Yeah, is that true before you fly?
So that's what I'm asking you. If you're suspecting me of a crime still?
Filed under your name?
Are you still suspecting me of a crime? I got to get going.
Until I can verify the extradition.
So you have state statutes or city ordinances against flying a drone? I'm just asking you a question. It's
FAA regulations against flying drones.
But are you a federal officer? You can enforce federal law?
We enforce federal laws all the time.
Tell me what federal law you enforce.
You can't carry a firearm in a school zone. That's federal law.
That's a state law.
But it's also a federal law.
That's why you can do it, is because it's a state law. You said jack wagon? Sarge, you got your body cam on? So, you got your body cam on, Sarge?
What's that?
Do you have your body cam on?
No, I don't.
Okay, I don't know if you have to have it on. So,
You cannot videotape me.
okay.
You cannot take my video. If you do, it's a felony. I will arrest you.
It is a felony?
Absolutely.
right,
You
well,
cannot take my.
Is that a statute? We weren't on the property. We're just on the.
Why are you filming and taking?
I'm gonna grab a complaint form inside.
That's fine.
Okay, thank you.
I need to know.
You're basing that under the wiretapping statute? Is that what you're saying? The felony? Ooh.
You can't get my foot to videotape. You just can't intercept my voice.
Yeah, I was out there along with county deputies.
Yeah, a bunch
FEP, a bunch of people.
So, Lieutenant, I was just a little concerned about like the unlawful detainment of about 200 plus people.
Okay.
I know there was a shooting. I get it, and but at the same time, some people by your department were actually required to give ID and to give phone numbers and check their tags before they could even leave.
Okay.
And that's kind of a scary thing to happen with the department. I know that probably the county took over that call.
Right. It was in the county's jurisdiction. And
Yeah.
They requested to try to identify as many people as they could prior to leaving.
Yeah, and some of the officers there were forcing ID and saying, like, you got to give me your name, you got to give your tag number. I hope you respect the Constitution.
More than you know.
Yeah. So
More than you know.
Usually when people say more than they know, it's the opposite of that. You respect it for yourself and like your team, but deputy over there,
come over
and
here,
they
man.
call.
Let's talk.
No, sir, I'm gonna stay right here.
Come over here.
So they had a
Let's talk.
captain and a deputy. I'm waiting for a complaint form. Am I being detained?
That's fine. Come over here.
Am I
and
being
talk to me
detained?
for a minute.
Am I being detained?
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay. Is there a criminal offense that you suspect me of?
Listen to me.
This lady over here just told you your
I'm trying to
job.
talk to you.
Okay.
Come outside and
No,
let me
sir.
talk to you.
I'm waiting for a complaint form, and that's it.
You can get a complaint form in a moment.
Ma'am, if you could just calm this guy down. Thank you. Just wait for her. That's what I would do, deputy. Wait for her. She has more sense, okay?
Listen, man. Stop.
I'm stopping.
I'm trying to talk to you.
Okay.
You are being confronted.
No.
Let's go outside so I can talk to you.
The first thing,
They will bring
901-151.
you. Stop.
901-151 statute. You know what
Stop!
that is? Read it, sir.
Stop.
We get a supervisor.
Pay attention.
Just a supervisor. That's all needs, deputy.
And that's fine. We're going to
Deputy
get
Schmidt?
one, but first you're going to come out here so we can talk.
Deputy Schmidt, I just need a supervisor. Ma'am,
The supervisor's on the way. I'm not playing this game, man.
Okay,
Let's go outside.
Hold on just a minute. Because what they're doing, I'm the records director, I haven't met you yet. But what they're doing is perfectly legal.
I understand that. Come on over here.
sir, I feel like I want to stay here. If I go any further, that 901-151 calls this a detention. Am I being detained? I just have to ask that question, Deputy Smith. Am I being detained?
You're about to.
Okay, have a good day, sir.
Bye.
So they do have an AED there, which is really good. That's nice that in case you need to have anything that goes on. Let's go.
Can we kiss you? Do you think?
Are you good? Need anything?
No, I was just walking by.
Do you have any weapons on you or anything like that?
Excuse me?
Do you have any weapons on you or anything like that?
Well, the police officer, I'll carry my
Hey.
firearm.
You mind if I pat you down?
No, you can't touch me, sir. I
Okay.
wouldn't touch you, okay?
All right, thanks.
All right, you have a
Appreciate
good day. Thank you.
So they have the AED here, which is really good in case there's some type of incident. They need it. So he's headed in. Just trying to figure that out. You got detained for no state law violation, sounds like.
Copy that. But have a great day, guys. Thanks a lot.
You gotta have reasonable suspicion of a crime. It's what.
Sure, that's why I went back to the car. I checked it out. I didn't have anything else. You guys gotta walk around.
Okay.
It's free to go.
That's why I don't know if you heard when I said this guy knocked this fence down. That sounded like, I don't know if that was disorderly conduct, but
Sure, our conversations ever have.
All right, good. You're dismissed.
What's that?
You are dismissed then. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to narrate a video here.
So you can't take a picture of the
Can't take a picture of the car. Why?
We have no idea what you might want to do with that.
I don't have any idea what you're doing, sir.
You're making a statement, but I'm asking you to leave it not to take the picture, that's all.
So it's illegal to take a picture of this car?
Illegal, man. It's saying illegal. But what's the purpose of taking a picture?
Did you know that Department of Homeland Security actually issued a memo that said the filming of the buildings is okay and the police cars?
I don't know about that. The building's okay, but not the police. I know police car.
I mean, it's in public. We're in public on a sidewalk.
Can I help you?
No.
Do you have any questions?
Yeah, is he arrested for driver's license or something?
How can I tell you that?
So you asked me if I have a question and then you can't answer anything?
Oh, okay, I got you guys.
Yeah, I got you too. Get back in the car and do your work. Hey, how's it going? Are you stopping me?
Yeah.
Oh, what for?
Well, you're filming us and you're driving on their property.
No, I was in the cul-de-sac. I didn't go anywhere in their property.
Okay, well, what's going on, bud?
Filming is illegal?
Well, if you're filming our back parking lot
That's illegal?
and following our dispatchers around, yeah, that's...
Where are you from?
I'm from Florida.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wherever.
Florida.
Are we going to have the sovereign citizen talk?
Don't go there. That's stupid to go there.
Well,
You guys are the only ones.
Right
No,
now.
you guys are the only ones that are sovereign citizens. You have sovereign immunity throughout Florida. Communication there. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to have you interrupt me there. There.
Come walking out of my facility.
Your facility. You own this facility?
I work here. And
Okay, so
one of the officers in charge was security around here, so I'm just kind of curious. Somebody just come walking with you.
Can I finish my stuff here? So EOC is a really good place because what it does is allow you to have rude of you to interrupt, Captain.
No, actually, it's not.
Yeah, it is. It sure is.
No, actually, it's not.
It sure is. So what they do, they have a really good program here. But Captain, what is it again? Slabos? Not so good. Thank you. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I didn't know if you heard. I didn't know if I can have you turn those off when I walk out or not. But hey, I was just curious. What's in Victoria's Secret? Is that like a warrant book? Are you Victoria?
No, I'm not. Can I help you?
I just didn't know. Is that like the warrant book?
No.
Okay. I'm sorry. It was funny. It says Victoria's Secrets. But yeah, can we turn those off before I walk out so my face isn't on it?
No.
Oh, so I'll leave mine on too.
Okay.
Now you know how it feels. Thank you very much for your time. Appreciate the complaint form. Yeah, what was your name?
ID 27.
ID 27?
Yep.
All right, I'd like to make a public records request while I'm here for the police department.
Alrighty. Regarding.
I want to get the personnel record for ID 27. It's the way it works. Wow. I know. We'll see if that's on there. It's on there. Everybody's a law-abiding citizen out there. I think these guys are just out here just to keep the peace, but when you see them up on the roof up there like that, you know, it makes a little bit different of a situation. But these guys are pretty much ready to go here if something's going wrong. But everybody out there is really law-abiding, really good, awesome citizens. Hey, if you take a picture, let me get it. There you go, 2029, taking off a little bit. Hey, I was gonna ask you a quick question, if you don't mind. Just a quick question? No? I was just gonna ask a quick question. You guys got a guy with a sniper rifle up on the roof? I'm sorry. Yeah, I just saw it up there. Okay, there you go, tough guy. Tough guys, plural. So was it a yes or no? Was it a yes or no? I'm just trying to find out if it was a yes or no. Yes or no? They ready to kill law-abiding citizens. That's it.
Sir, can you not record people's names?
Okay. What's your name?
My
Rossi?
name is Officer Rossi.
Right,
Yes,
Officer
those
Rossi.
These are other people that have been in the building.
Oh, wow.
That aren't actually employees
So I'd like to make a
here,
public
so-
records request with you then.
With me?
I want a
You'd
copy
have to
of that
make-
log
you'd
right
have
there.
to make a public record request with our records
Actually, Florida
department.
Statute 119 says that whoever receives it can forward it on, Officer Rossi.
Okay, I will get a hold of my supervisor for you.
You sure will. That complaint form's for you now. Who does that? I mean, if they're there, you can inspect them. If it's readily available, it's not that hard to do, so. That's it. See how easy that was?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I'm sorry. Do you have any weapons on you or anything like that?
What are you guys doing?
If you don't mind, show me your hands. That's just making me nervous like that.
So what are you doing?
Who are you? Are you a police officer here?
Why are you guys walking around on parking lot?
How long do you plan on holding people that are past where the deputies are down there, like holding these people?
What?
What? I said, how long do you plan on holding people that are past where the deputies are down there?
Until we're done with our investigation. Do you have any further questions?
Yeah, do you know what 901, 151 Florida statutes are?
Would you like me to detain you until we're done with our investigation?
What crime do you suspect me of? You want a lawsuit?
You're interrupting an investigation.
I'm asking you how long you're going to hold people. It's related.
You're going to continue to interrupt an investigation.
You're directing traffic. Okay. What was your name then?
Deputy Petoskey, ID 8990.
There, that's a smart girl. Thank you.
You're very welcome, sir. Do you have ID on you?
No, I don't have any idea. I just had.
You don't have any ID. Are you involved in this situation?
I'm standing here on a public right of way. Just do your job. Do your job.
Oh, don't you worry, sweetie. I will.
No, don't call me sweetie. Have some respect.
Oh, I have lots of respect.
Trash. That's what that is.